Nowadays, many people take off a leather necklace for a long time because the necklace is not as easy to wear as a ring, but in fact it will affect the lifetime of the necklace. Should the leather pearl necklace be removed every day, the best thing is to take it off, because wearing it at night will leave a mark on the skin. It is also to reduce wearing time, but if it is meaningful jewelry, you can wear it at night, but it is not good for you to wear it at night. In short, it is best to take it down. Sleeping with necklace may break the chain by turning over, and hollow chains with large grams may be compressed and deformed. And the platinum jewelry should be stored separately from the gold jewelry. The benefits of wearing necklaces. Benefits of silver necklace. Silver can remove rheumatism, good for people's body. If you are allergic, wearing a silver necklace is not allergic. Silver turns black when it comes to toxic substances. You can also test your surroundings with a silver necklace. Silver has a bactericidal effect. Psychologically, it may satisfy and delight people, thus providing spiritual comfort. Legend also has the function of eliminating evil spirits. Benefits of pearl necklace. Pearls contain calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, calcium phosphate, calcium sulfate, magnesium, manganese, copper, iodine, phosphorus, strontium, lead, sodium, potassium and more than a dozen amino acids. Saltwater pearls have the functions of calming and astonishing, clearing heat, detoxifying eyes and nourishing muscles. Especially for women who are irritable during menstruation and menopause, wearing pearl necklace can play a better role in regulating, alleviating, preventing and treating chronic pharyngitis and thyroid gland, and at the same time make the skin especially bright and delicate. Morning and night, gently massaging the skin with pearls, as well as skin care and wrinkle removal. The benefits of a crystal necklace. It can promote the blood circulation of the human body. It is good for the cervical spine to wear a crystal necklace. Each crystal has different effects, and the effect of each crystal color on human body is also different. Long-term use of computers, watching TV, wearing crystal necklaces to avoid radiation damage. How to maintain necklace 1. First of all, gold jewelry should be stored in a jewelry box or swathed separately, and we should form a habit of not throwing it together with other jewelry after wearing it, in order to prevent scratches between them. Point 2. Place valuables in a safe place and buy adequate insurance. If you don't know much about the value of your jewelry, please bring it to the jeweler for valuation. Clean gold jewelry regularly. This ensures that the jewelry has the best gloss and lasts longer. Gold jewelry is cleaned in the same way as other precious jewelry. Use jewelry detergent or soak it in soap, then gently wipe it with a soft cloth. Point 4. For gold jewelry inlaid with gems, it needs to be cleaned every 6 months. The jeweler adjusts the jewelry, corrects its size, polishes and cleans it. Point 5. If scratches are visible to the naked eye, please bring the gold jewelry to qualified jewelers for polishing. All precious metals may leave scratches.